नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती त्रिशूलचक्र धारिणी सीतम्बरा वृहेशुभे मृगेन्द्रपीठसंस्थिते नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती त्रिशूलचक्रधारिणी सीतम्बरा वृहेशुभे मृगेन्द्रपीठसंस्थिते त्वमेव विश्वधारिणी त्वमेव विश्वकारिणी त्वमेव सर्वकारिणी नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Deepa, for this wonderful invocation. Light symbolizes knowledge and darkness ignorance. The Lord is the knowledge principle, Chaitanya, who is the source, the enlivener and the illuminator of all knowledge. Hence, the light is worshipped as the Lord Himself. Knowledge removes ignorance just as light removes darkness. Also, knowledge is a lasting inner wealth by which all outer achievements can be accomplished. Hence, we light the lamp to bow down to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. A single lamp can light hundreds more, just as one person of knowledge can share that knowledge with many more, each of whom in turn can bring light into even more lives. May I request our President, Rotarian Bharat Asuri, to address the gathering.
Good evening, all. A very hearty and warm welcome to our beloved District Governor of Rotary International District 3190, Rotarian Nagendra Prasad, and to all of you on this wonderful occasion of the District Governor's official visit to the Rotary Club of Rajmal Vilas. I have great pleasure in announcing that today our club also completes 25 years of its silver jubilee. The Rotary Club of Rajmal Vilas was chartered exactly 25 years ago on 12th February 1996. It is my great honor and privilege to stand before you today as the Silver Jubilee President. Despite tough challenges posed this Rotary year, due to the extraordinary hard work put in by our District Governor and District team of District 3190, the district is doing even better in a difficult year than in a normal year. And our club too has done well under the able guidance and encouragement of our district governor and his team. I also thank the Assistant Governor, Rotarian Shankar, for his encouragement and support. Our membership has increased by 15%, and we have also bagged the prestigious Sustainable Mobility Accord project of 50 lakhs from the Department of Urban Land Transport, Government of Karnataka. And Rajmal Vilas is the first Rotary Club in the district to do so, and one of just 9 NGOs selected out of 200 wards in Bangalore city. This will be our signature project of the year. We continue to execute our last year's signature project of Koira Lake rejuvenation, for which I thank our immediate past President Sanjay for his great initiative. Our club has also taken the lead in creating the first Rotary Action Group for Multiple Sclerosis, RAGAMS, being the first in India, for which I thank President-elect Shankar Subramaniam for this initiative. We have also been the lead, taken the initiative for the new Rotary Fellowship for Wildlifers, again the first of its kind and brainchild of IPP Sanjay Krishna. As part of our 25th year celebrations, we have started a new plan for a club endowment. So the plan is to raise at least 25 lakhs for the 25 years we have been in action. And we are collecting three types of endowments: silver, gold, and diamond. We have also made many plans for the next 4 months for which we will take up successfully. I thank our DG Rotarian Nagendra Prasad for his presence here today. I want to keep it short since there are many more items on the agenda. I thank one and all for their work this year and for their efforts for the governor's official visit. Wish you all the best and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, President. Now, I request Rotarian Raj Gopal Hegde to present the Secretary's report.
Good evening, all. District Governor Rotarian B.L. Nagendra Prasad, District Secretary Rotarian Arun Belor, Assistant Governor Rotarian Shankar B., and dear members. I am privileged to be the Secretary of Rotary Bangalore Rajmal Vilas in this Silver Jubilee year 2020-21. Rotary Club of Bangalore Rajmal Vilas was chartered on 12th day of February 1996. Today is the Silver Jubilee anniversary of our club. Presently, our club has 68 members, including 7 dual members. Over the years, our club has sponsored 4 Rotaract clubs: Rotaract Club of Rajmal Vilas, Rotaract Club of Presidency College, Rotaract Club of RIMS, and Rotaract Club of Ambedkar Nagar. Now, I would like to present before you a report of the activities of our club during the year. Our club orientation program. As an initiative of the outgoing and incoming teams, a club orientation program was organized on 12th June 2020, facilitated by our incoming club training coordinator, past President Rotarian Rajaram Krishnamurthy. The session headed by PP Rotarian Satish Madhavan has helped newer members orient themselves to the club. Installation ceremony. The installation of Rotarian Bharat Asuri for the Silver Jubilee year was conducted by District Governor Rotarian B.L. Nagendra Prasad on 16 July. Due to the pandemic situation, the installation was conducted virtually. The ceremony was graced by past and present presidents of various clubs, the outgoing and incoming assistant governors, and district governors. Members of our club with their families participated in large numbers. After the president was pinned, Rotarian Bharat Asuri gave his acceptance speech, highlighting his vision, the plans and projects for the year, which was followed by the installation of the office bearers. Speaker meetings. Several speaker meetings were held by knowledgeable speakers. Renowned architect Naresh Narasimhan gave an insightful talk on the need for a change in urban planning. The other topics covered in the speaker meeting ranged from talk on product and industrial design by Mr. Suresh Navandar, new age investment options post-COVID by Saustav Chakrabarti, etc. In-house speaker meetings. Till date, the club conducted 4 in-house speaker meetings. Varied topics were covered, like team building by Rotarian Shankar Subramanian, what RERA means for a home buyer by Rotarian E. Suhail Ahmad, financial discipline by Rotarian Sabarisan Venkatesh, and Consumer Protection Act and the Rights of the Consumer by Rotarian Pushpalata. Meeting with community. Yoga is a wonderful holistic practice for both body and mind. Our first meet of the year was on 3rd July, where we had a talk by Ms. Papuri Sharma, who spoke about the yoga and therapy. On 31st July, Dr. Prasanna Venkatesh from NU Hospital gave us a timely and informative talk about the current pandemic symptoms, COVID-19 protocols, cost of treatment, and insurance schemes. In association with Rotary International District 3190 Avoidable Blindness Committee, a talk was arranged to educate Rotarians, their families, and the community at large about diabetic eye care. On December 5th, Dr. Sahana Magal, a distinguished dermatologist, gave a talk on quality of life amongst the elderly. Joint e-meetings. Our club participated in several joint meetings, all club joint meeting conducted by the district on 14th August. On December 18th, our club was one of the 10 participating clubs to hold a virtual session with General Secretary of Rotary International, Rotarian John Hevko, on the topic of converging tradition with innovation. Our first our first joint meeting was with Rotary Bangalore Basanagudi and Rotary Bangalore Malgudi. The meeting had Mr. Karthik Tallam, Director of Tallam Group of Companies, who spoke about his experience with United Nations Peacekeeping Mission, new members and getting to know them. Virtual meeting was organized to know our new Rotarians who joined the club in the last 1 year. The new members introduced themselves and their family, spoke about their work experience, achievements, and hobbies. This helped our members to know the new Rotarians better. Musical nights. The Rotary year 2020-21 started under the gloom of COVID. When the world is battling with COVID and work from home culture to fight the spread of virus, there was nothing better than music to soothe our minds and souls. Under the leadership of past President Rotarian Rajaram Krishnamurthy, Rotarian Chaya Naundar, and others, a series of 5 monthly musical nights were organized during the last week of July, August, September, and October. Young and talented singers, Sri Govind Kurnol, Shruti Bide, Samanvita Sharma, and Rotarian Narsimhan Kannan entertained our members, their families, and friends. We witnessed a very good virtual attendance to these musical nights, ranging from 100 to 300. To commemorate our club's 25th anniversary year, a mega musical night was organized on 27th November with 4 famous singers who entertained the crowd for over 3 hours. Fellowship gatherings. Our New Year family get-together on 2nd January marked the first physical meeting of the Rotary year 2020-21. Our member, Rotarian Unnikrishnan Pillai and family were kind enough to host the New Year family get-together at their residence. This was a welcome break and the fellowship was much enjoyed by all. Thank you, Rotarian Unnikrishnan Pillai and family, for being a gracious host. Sankranti was celebrated in native style on 14 January together with the farmers of Koira to mark the harvest of their first crop since the lake rejuvenation process. Many of our members and family mingled with the villagers and celebrated Suggi Habba in conventional style. For many, it was a first-time experience. Thank you, Rotarian Sanjay Krishna, for arranging this trip. Signature project, Koira Lake Rejuvenation. Koira Lake Rejuvenation is a signature project started in 2019-20 by Rotarian Sanjay Krishna at a total project cost of rupees 70 lakhs. The project execution was planned to be carried out until Rotary term of 2021-22 in phases to ensure that the work done meets the community needs. Excavation of feeder channels and the desilting of work has led to receive more water into the tank and also retain the same due to increased holding capacity. For the first time over the last 10 years, the farmers started paddy calculation in the area thanks to Lake Rejuvenation. Signature project DULT. Our club Rotary Bangalore Rajmal Vilas is awarded with grant of rupees 50 lakhs under SUMA project, that is Sustainable Mobility Accord, granted by Department of Urban Land Transport, Government of Karnataka. After thorough process of shortlisting, we are proud to be one amongst only 9 organizations selected across Bangalore in nearly 200 wards under BBMP. Also, we are the first Rotary Club in our entire district 3190 to qualify for such grant. We thank Rotarians as well as social workers in Sanjay Nagar who guided and instrumental in getting this grant. The project involves facilitation of environmentally friendly transport options, including public transport, electric vehicles, cycling, walking, etc. in Ward 18 and 19, that is Rajmal Vilas and Sanjay Nagar. In the news, our club was in the news in local newspapers about lake rejuvenation, cycling in the neighborhood, and DULT project. Polio NID. As every year, our club members participated in Polio Immunization Day on 31st January, conducted in Sanjay Nagar PHC and Munireddipalya PHC, where 3,766 and 8,593 children were immunized. Our club provided 300 gloves, sanitizers, breakfast, and lunch packets at the respective PHC. Rotarians and Rotractors actively participated in good numbers. Thank you, Rotarian Satish T, for successfully coordinating polio immunization drive. Distribution of tablets to school children. Our club donated 21 electronic tablets to 10 standard school children of GHS Bachahalli School, Devanhalli Taluk. Each tablet, which is to be shared by 2 students, were integrated with 10 standard school syllabus. This helped the poor students, where online classes were the only way to learn on account of closure of the schools due to pandemic. Thank you, Rotarian Past President Madhav Dambal, Director, Teach, for this initiative. We also celebrated 24th Independence Day at the school. Club assemblies. First club assembly was held on September 11th for the election of RI Director for Zone 7. Second club assembly was held on February 5th, the first hybrid meeting of the year. Mock GOV was conducted under the watch of our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Shankar B. COVID management. In a much needed move, our club joined hands with BBMP to form a workforce to help residents of the area in Ward 18 and 19 to manage the pandemic. Our members, Rotarian Rajesh Gasi, Ravi Arora, Anil Sharma, Shankar Subramanian, and Rajaram Krishnamurthy were volunteers. Tree plantation. Kannada Rajyotsava was celebrated with the tree plantation drive of 100 saplings at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Hebbal campus, jointly with KVH Alumni Association. Many Rotarians and Rotractors participated in the drive. Working with Rotractors. Rotractors took active participation in various service projects. Rotractors of all 4 clubs participated in our club projects, including tree plantation drive and polio immunization drive. Installation of office bearers of Rotract Presidency College was held on January 16th, and Rotract Ramaya Institute of Management Studies was held on January 25th. Blood donation camp. Donating blood is one of the greatest ways to help humankind. Our club and members participated in 2 blood donation camps organized in association with Rotary Centennial, Rotary Yelahanka, Rotary Vijayanagar, and Rotary Chandra Layout clubs. Providing relief. As a part of community service, under the aegis of Rotarian Ravi Arora. 10 families of surrounding areas were donated blankets on November 26th to cope with the winter. On February 6th, our water filters, 2 water filters and groceries were provided at an orphanage in Bangalore. Rotary Action Group. RAGAMS, which stands for Rotary Action Group Against Multiple Sclerosis, was launched in India on September 11th. Rotary Bangalore Rajmal Vilas was the lead club of RAGAMS India. RAGAMS India was launched by our district governor, Rotarian B.L. Nagendra Prasad. During the launch, our DG handed over a laptop and a wheelchair to the needy in association with Rotary Club of Kolar. Thank you, Rotarian Shankar Subramanian, for initiation in launch of RAGAMS India. Rotary Envision Photography Contest was held on September 20th. Fellowship groups. A new fellowship group by name Rotary Fellowship of Wildlifers for Conservation was launched during the year. We are proud to be the lead club in the launch of this fellowship group. Thank you, Rotarian Sanjay Krishna, for initiation of this fellowship group. This fellowship group was launched. This fellowship group was launched on 21st December by our DG Rotarian BL Nagendra Prasad. The fellowship has been officially recognized by Rotary International. International Fellowship of Motorcycling Rotarians, IFMR. On December 1, 20 Rotarians, including our Director of International Services, Rotarian Shanmugam, took off to a 4,500 kilometer journey to raise funds for the COVID relief and vaccine. On this occasion, we thank Rotarian Sia Anzar, who donated rupees 3 lakhs for the COVID ride. Our district secretary, Rotarian Arun Belur, was also one of the members in this COVID ride. Thank you all.
I now call upon Rotarian Deepa Padmanabhan to come over to the stage. And may I request also our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Shankar, to help us release the club bulletin. We'd also like to recognize our First Lady of the district, Meera Prasad. Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us. With the mass, it's very difficult to find out who has come and who's not come. So please pardon us if we miss out on a few names. A warm welcome to also the other Skyrocker presidents who have joined us today. Thank you for coming over. Would like to recognize the presence of Jagdish, President of Rotary Club. Thank you for coming today, sir. The Vocational Service Award is presented to annually to someone in the community who have exemplified outstanding professional achievement while maintaining very high ethical standards. The aim of the award are to recognize vocational excellence of the highest order and to honor outstanding contribution by individuals or small teams of individuals for significant advancement in their vocational field in India, to inspire further enthusiasm and to give added reward to their exceptional achievers, to set an example to others, particularly the youth, of the need to strive for vocational excellence for the benefit of the discipline and the country. So we have great pleasure in having a few vocational awardees today. May I request Rotarian Colonel Haridas to please come over onto the dais, please, and help us introduce our first vocational awardee, Professor N.J. Rao. May I request Professor N.J. Rao to please come forward and join us in the dais.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Colonel Haridas. It gives me great pleasure to have the opportunity of introducing a very eminent contributor to our society, Professor N.J. Rao. Sir, you have excelled in your chosen vocation as a researcher, engineer, educationalist, and have served in various capacities in several educational and research institutes across India. You have devoted many years of your life teaching engineering, management students, the future of India at the reputed Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. You have conducted faculty development programs for curricular design in several degree and engineering colleges. Your passion in the field of education is exemplary. You have been a core member of committees that defined the current NBA/NAAC accreditation process to ensure a high quality of learning and assessment. This year, Rotary International has chosen Rotary Opens Opportunities as its theme, and our club, as a member of the Rotary International, takes immense pleasure in recognizing your distinguished contribution and dedication of opportunities to education, and awards this Vocational Excellence Award 2021 at the hands of our Rotary District Governor, RI District 3190, Rotarian B.L. Nagendra Prasad, on this day, the 12th day of February 2021.
Let's join in giving a big round of applause to Professor N.J. Rao. May I request Rotarian Sanjeevi Singh to please come on to the dais. And may I invite Ms. Alopa Gupta to join us on the dais.
Good evening, everybody. Alopa Gupta, you have excelled in your chosen vocation as a teacher and special educationalist and have been continuously providing your services to differently able children in achieving their goals. You have devoted many years of your life teaching children in various capacities. Your passion and your drive to teach differently able children with unconditional support, a challenging job that requires patience, understanding is exemplary. You have been successfully running the occasional training program at Amara Soundarya Foundation, helping the children grow, keeping in mind their individual needs and preferences. You have been facilitating their personality development, teaching life skills, and preparing them to lead an independent life. This year, Rotary International has chosen Rotary Opens Opportunities as its theme, and our club as a member of Rotary International takes immense pleasure in recognizing your distinguished contribution and dedication of opportunities to education, and awards this Vocational Excellence Award 2021 at the hands of a Rotary District Governor, RI 3190, Rotarian BL Nagendra Prasad, on this day, 12th day of February 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Alopa Gupta.
I request Rotarian Vijay Pati to come onto the dais, please. May I request Dr. Sunita to join us on the dais. May I request Rotarian Vijay Pati to read out the citation.
Good evening, everybody. We have in our midst Dr. Sunita, who's a pathologist working at KC General Hospital, Malleshwaram. Honoring a pathologist during these times is a very important factor. Right through the COVID times, they are the ones who are the closest to the virus. Every day they test hundreds of samples, millimeters away from the virus. That requires guts. One such lady is Dr. Sunita. She did her MBBS in MS Ramaya Medical College. Later, she pursued her MD in pathology at the same institute. She has worked in Nelamangala Taluk, rural areas for 8 to 10 years, providing services to the rural population and done immense service for the society. This year, Rotary International has chosen Rotary Opens Opportunities as its theme. And our club, as a member of the Rotary International, takes immense pleasure in recognizing your distinguished services, contribution, and dedication of opportunities to good health, and awards this Occasional Excellence Award 2021 at the hands of our beloved Governor, Rotary District RI 3190, BL Nagendra Prasad, on this day of 12th February. Thank you.
Our President, Rotarian Bharat Asuri, has taken up on a very important initiative, and I request him to please come over to the dais and explain about the endowment plan of the club.
Shankar. Good evening. So this year we have started a new concept to raise funds for the club. This is called the endowment plan. See, earlier years we used to just collect money for specific projects and spend it the same year. This year we are starting with a new concept called endowment, where we would collect three kinds of endowments. One is called the silver plan of rupees 3 lakhs. The second is called the gold plan of 5 lakhs. And the third is called the diamond plan of 10 lakhs. So anybody within or without the club can take up an endowment plan, and it can be in the name of any one of their parents or grandparents or anybody else they wish to honor. And the new concept of this plan is that the money will be kept in the trust of Rotary Rajmal Vilas as a fixed deposit, and only the interest would be used year after year for service projects. So already today morning, one of our members, Rotarian Anzar, has confirmed that he will take the diamond plan of 10 lakhs. So he was supposed to be here today, but he has been held up in a meeting. So he will not be able to join us, but he said that he will take it up immediately in the next couple of days. Our next Rotarian who has volunteered to take up the endowment plan is Rotarian Sundar Prakash, who is here. So I request Rotarian Sundar Prakash to get up and be recognized. I request our DG Nagendra Prasad to recognize Rotarian Sundar Prakash for his contribution. And Rotarian Sundar Prakash, incidentally, this is not his first contribution. He has been a constant source of support to our club. Every year he has been supporting projects, and he has he is a major donor to the club, to Rotary Foundation. Sundar Prakash is a major donor to the Rotary Foundation, and he has given us, for every year he has given us funds. Yeah.
Something to add about Rotarian Sundar Prakash is that anytime that we, say that we are looking to collect funds, he's the fastest finger first. He's always the first person to be a part of it.
So I thank Rotarian Sundar Prakash for being here today. As I said, he has supported our club every single year, as well as the Rotary Foundation. So many more donors are in the pipeline, and we are confident that by the end of this Rotary year, we will our charter member Kirti Mehta is reminding me that I have also agreed to contribute to the endowment, the silver plan of 3 lakhs. No. I think that we can dispense with that. It's okay. We'll, Chaya, it's okay. We'll continue. No, it's okay. Yeah. So if any of our other members also wish to announce their contributions to endowments, you're most welcome. Our DG will recognize you today.
That was a very important initiative, Rotarian Bharat, and I'm sure the club will benefit by that. I uh, call upon Rotarian Sanjay Krishna to come onto the dais. And I'm now going to hand over the stage to Rotarian Sanjay Krishna for the next few minutes. Over to you, sir.
Um, Good evening, friends. Last year, we had a generous contribution of $10,000, totally in about 25,000 US dollars to the foundation, Rotary Foundation from our club. So there were two major donors who contributed to this. I have received the crystals from the uh, Rotary International. I would like our district governor to give away these crystals to the major donors. I call upon our charter member, Rotarian Kirti Mehta. Incidentally, he was also the foundation director from our club last year, and he continues to hold the position this year as well. Thank you, Kirti Bhai. Thank you so much. One more. One pin is for. Yeah. Now I call upon Usha, Rotarian Usha and Rotarian Shankar, who have generously contributed to the foundation last year to receive the crystal and the pin. Sorry, Kirti Bhai, I think the other pin is for Anjoti. There are two pins, yeah. Yeah. I think. I think by maybe must have come by inadvertence. Thank you. I request our President, Rotarian Bharat, to come over. Please come.
We now have the recognition of our Rotarian Shanmugam, who participated in the COVID combat ride. He took the initiative of approaching our one more of our Rotarians, Rotarian Anzar, who could not be here today, who has also given a 10 lakhs diamond endowment. Rotarian Shanmugam took the initiative of approaching Rotarian Anzar, and he got 3 lakhs for the COVID ride. And he also participated in the ride. They drove 4,500 kilometers. Our district secretary, Arun Belur, was also part of this ride. And they have raised funds for COVID relief. So we, as member of our club, we wish to recognize Rotarian Shanmugam on this occasion of the GOV. I request Rotarian Shanmugam to come forward. I request our DG to recognize Rotarian Shanmugam.
Have you seen his bike? Anybody after coming back from the ride? Nobody has seen, right? You cannot even find that he has ridden that bike for 4,500 kilometers. That is the way he maintains. He brushes it every day.
I forgot to mention, as we recognized our major donors of last year, one of our Rotarians, unfortunately, he could not be here today, Rotarian Surendra Singhvi. He is also going to upgrade to major donor. He already has several PHFs and he is committed to upgrading to major donor this Rotary year. So I wish to recognize him also.
We always have great pleasure in welcoming new members to Rotary Rajmal Vilas. May I call upon Rotarian Sundar Prakash to introduce our new member, Ms. Vidyavati Sagar.
Good evening, friends. It's my pleasure to introduce a new member, Ma'am Vidya Sagar. I will just read out a brief profile of Madam. It's also a great moment for us. The club is having now a diversified member. She's a scientist. So that's going to give us a great boost to our education program. And as I read, you can find that she is having a lot of connections with most of the domain, including our DG's domain. I'll read out, so you'll come to know. So, ma'am, Vidya Sagar was closely associated with ISRO Satellite Center, worked at ISAC, Bangalore, that's in the airport road. It's a satellite facility where they assemble the satellites. And she joined ISRO, now it's called URAC, UR Rao Satellite Center. She joined ISRO as a technical assistant after diploma, then did her undergrad, postgrad, while her 30-year service at ISRO. That flexibility ISRO has always given to all the employees. Now, Vidya has moved up the ladder from TA, that is technical assistant, to becoming ISRO's project coordinator, senior scientist, and played a very, very vital role in the success of small satellite program called HAMSAT, which was launched way back in 2005. And I'm pleased to inform I supplied the battery for that. And she's also involved in many of the missions, namely Cartosat, Anusat, Astrosat, Chandrayaan-1, and MOM. That's a Mars orbiter. So I have a close affinity to all these programs because all my batteries are there, fortunately. And Vidya has worked at ISRO in the SRG group, we call Satellite Reliability Group, in the QA team, and later in the Indian Remote Sensing Program Office, and then moved over to the department that is at DOS at ISRO headquarters. So it's because of her talent and knowledge base, person moves up within ISRO. And ISRO recognizes such kind of engineers, who join fresh. So she has moved up in a very short span to such a good position, and we are proud to have her in our club. She has at ISRO, she has published many scientific papers, satellite project specs, and these are all confidential documents and which is not accessible to all. So she has been involved in those IP kind of related activity. And besides her scientific knowledge and things, she is very actively involved in cultural programs at ISRO. So she has been I spoke to a couple of friends today because when I was supposed to introduce her, everybody gave, wonderful person you're going to get for your club. She has been actively involved when she was in ISRO in their dramatic programs. She has participated in national and international symposiums for ISRO. She has been recognized, the most important thing, by the then President of India, Dr. Kalam, as well as our beloved Prime Minister, Vajpayee ji. So these are the credentials she's having when she was at ISRO. And also she has two other rewards given by, one by Lions Club, Women Achiever Award, they call it WOW. That is Woman on Wonder. This is given by Lions Club of Bangalore. She has got outstanding contribution to space science given by the Space Officers Association. And I'm going to skip many things more because I have to read a little more. So as I said, Vidya is also, besides being a scientist, she's also very active in other fields. So let's take it point by point. Vidya, Kannada theatre and activities. She has acted in many tele-serials, including award-winning feature film. That's why I said she's connected to DG. And she's a classical Bharatanatyam dancer, as well a Carnatic musician. Vidya in sports. Vidya is a sports badminton player. And a very interesting part is she's also a karate black belt. So we have a man karate, woman karate. So all other clubs need to be careful. So Vidya in spirituality. She's a certified Reiki healer, and also a wonderful meditating technique she has, which can aid our entire society. Now, Vidya in social service. During the pandemic, everybody had problems, but some got into great opportunities. So that's where Vidya is. So she joined iAsia Music Channel. It is in Dallas, USA, as one of their coordinators in India. And it has been within 6-7 months journey, iAsia currently has more than 33 million followers, 30 million followers. So that is a great journey in a span of 7-8 months to achieve to that great level. That's because of her dedication to music, her dedication to culture. She understands in and out of it. So she became iAsia's company's COO within a short span of time. That's her current position. And lastly, before I conclude, she's been very closely associated for the elderly. Her next project is that most of us leave our parents somewhere down the lane because of career purpose, maybe because of family purpose, but the parents are left out, grandparents are left out. So she's going to take up this as a challenging project, which also our next presidents can keep in mind, her service. So friends, we have an amazing personality. So let's welcome Vidya to our club.
Rotarian Vidyasagar has been proposed by our immediate past president Sanjay Krishna, Rotarian Sanjay Krishna. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Skyrocker President Rotarian Rajshekhar, Rotary Club of RT Nagar, and also the past District Secretary Rotarian Harshavardhan. He was here, he just left a short while ago. Okay. I request our immediate past President Rotarian Sanjay Krishna to introduce our District Governor.
Good evening, friends. Rotarian B.L. Nagendra Prasad was born as the elder of the two children that were born to the disciplined, down-to-earth couple, Srimati Sharada and Sri C.V.L. Shastri, on 3rd November 1959 in Bangalore. Nagendra Prasad knew from the very beginning that hard work, commitment, and determination would eventually turn him into a successful businessman and a humble human being. Nagendra Prasad excelled in his professional career. With a mind that was set on a successful business empire, he took over as managing director of Skytop Developers and developed over 85,000 residential plots in 100 layouts in Bangalore and Mysore. Rotary was the next calling. He joined Rotary Bangalore Peenya in the year 1984. He joined Rotary Bangalore Sadashiv Nagar in 2008 as a charter member and became its president in the year 2011-12 and bagged the Star President and Outstanding President Award along with several other awards for the club. He began his second innings in Rotary with more vibrancy and determination as he joined Rotary Bangalore Peenya in 2012. Since then, there has been no looking back. He has served in the district in various capacities. His stint as chairman for Umang Tarang District Conference in Goa was most colorful and memorable one, which is talked about even today. Pets in Mysore in 2017 was another feather in his cap. Nagendra Prasad has not only contributed his time and expertise to Rotary, but has also become the member of Arts Club Society by his contribution to the foundation of, just guess, take a wild guess, $250,000, including an endowment of $25,000. Apart from excelling in Rotary, Nagendra Prasad has a rich legacy of a business career that has won him awards and accolades in various institutions. To name a few, gold medal for providing low-cost housing sites by Council for Industrial and Trade Development, Bharatiya Navanirman Puraskar by All India Business Community Foundation, Indian Achievers Award for Real Estate and Infrastructure, Entrepreneur of the Year in 2015 by Bangalore Management Association. And just not these, if I have to read current year's achievements alone, I think I should be taking all night. Nagendra Prasad is also active in many religious and sports organizations. Most important being his stint as the Vice President of Karnataka Table Tennis Association. And during his term, we have also started a table tennis fellowship in our district. Even in his busy schedule, he finds time to nurture his hobbies in cricket, table tennis, and Shankar photography. Nagendra Prasad has got unstinted support from his family, with wife Meera Prasad being a Rotarian of Rotary Bangalore Pina. Their two daughters, Pragna, an architect, and Preksha, a commerce graduate, both members of Rotaract Pina, and a son, Pranav Prasad. His brother, Dr. Narendra Prasad, and sister-in-law, Janaki Prasad, are also members of Rotary Bangalore Pina. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our District Governor 2021, is also known as Devata Manushya, Rotarian Nagendra Prasad. Thank you.
Good evening, Ellargo Namaskara. First of all, let me share the greetings of our RI President, Holger Nack, and the First Lady, Suzanne. Friends, this year, as you all know that, the theme for this year was Rotary Opens Opportunities. Well, when we took over this year in the month of June, when we had the installation, even though the Rotary year starts from 1st July, we had the installation in the month of June in the same office. Everybody were confused because of this pandemic, and everybody were wondering what could be done and what cannot be done. Especially the presidents were confused. They had a lot of dreams, they had a lot of ideas, but they didn't know how to take it further than how to go about in this pandemic. Friends, this is where our team, the team of Skyrockers, the Skyrocker presidents, the Skyrocker board, took a decision to start with online training. That was the first step we took, and we were the first in the world to take up the training program on the online in the whole of this Rotary world. When we started that, our RI president was there, RI directors were there on many occasions, and each one of them started appreciating us for the initiative, thanks to Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh, who is the district trainer, who is not here, but still I would like to recognize him. From then on, our journey this 2021, this year, it started well. Friends, as I stand now here, we are #1 in the world in the membership right now. This year, we have put about 1,100 members as on date. The district has put 1,100 members. We stand #1 in the world as I stand here. We have brought in 17 new clubs now, 17 new clubs this year, 3 satellite clubs, and thanks to RMB also for adding up almost 10 new members in this year. Friends, I think talking about this club, two things I'm happy as a governor, as a Rotarian. The first thing is this club is sponsored by my home club, Rotary Pina, right? So that gives me a great pleasure and happiness to stand here and address this. Friends, this is the first, I would like to admit that this is the first GOV where I feel little tired, because all my GOVs go on for 5, 6, 7 hours, it depends. But here everything was short, everything was beautifully arranged, but the amount of projects, the amount of the way the whole thing is conducted, and the way you have been doing it so professionally, I really feel so happy, and I really congratulate each one of you for all your efforts in doing this year. That too, this pandemic, this pandemic has been, been a biggest hit for everybody in the business, in the Rotary world. But when compared to 3190, this is the only district which is rocking. I'm so happy to stand here as a district governor, because each one of you have been doing something or the other. I think that is where we are able to stand in front of the whole Rotary world and say that 3190 is rocking. Friends, the total projects executed this year in this span of 7 months is crossed 3,000 projects. And yes, 3,000 projects. And when I'm talking of 3,000 projects, yes, in this pandemic, we have almost about 8 crores of grants have been sanctioned in this year, in this 7 months. Mostly it is for the blood donation, blood bank in BGS hospital, which is about state of the art, about 1.28 crores, which has already been started. And next month we are going to inaugurate. We are donating a bus to the Red Cross Society India, costing about 60 lakhs plus. And then we are starting a cath lab at Bellur Cross, which is about 3.5 crores. And if I can keep talking to you like this, there are many projects which has been sanctioned. It is literacy. One of the club is doing 100 happy schools this year, that is Rotary Junction. And you look at the total value of the project, it's really mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. This is what? And some of us have been talking about pandemic and talking about, saying, how can we do this? But all the Rotarians of 3190, especially our presidents, Skyrocket presidents, have been so active and so motivated. Friends, what I would like to tell you is, every one of us, we have something potential inside us. We need to think positive. Once you start thinking positive, I feel that things will start flowing and things will follow. That is what is happening in this 3190 at this part of time. And everybody are astonished in the whole world of Rotary, asking us, how are you? How did you bring so many members? How did you start with so many clubs? Friends, not only this, when you are talking of TRF now, there are 5 AKs committed this year at this pandemic. And already we started receiving the payments. We have started receiving CSR funds. The first CSR fund came in the month of July. That is 93 lakhs from Titan to start the COVID hospital. What we did it at Basveshwar Nagar, Basveshwar bus stand in Pina. That was the first funding that came. And then we gave an RT-PCR machinery to Nimans costing 40 lakhs. All put together, 93 lakhs was given by Titan in the first month of this Rotary year. And even now, we have been getting funds. And really, I congratulate our Skyrocket President Bharat for this endowment. I think that's an excellent plan. You have done it. And at this pandemic, and I think collecting 25 lakhs, that's really great. And I mean, the greatness is not only your planning, the greatness in this Rotarians who have come forward to donate this sort of fund at this part of time. Really, I thank each one of you for your generous donation. It is not only for the TRF, but for the excellent project. You have been supporting this president, this club. I think that is how this club could say that we are standing for the 25 years. And I think really I congratulate in bringing an excellent member today. Vidya ma'am, I think after listening to your biodata, I think an excellent biodata. I think we are all, I think this club is blessed. And I would also say that district itself, we is blessed to have such type of Rotarians. Yes, excellent Rotarians. Thanks to you, Sanjay, for introducing. And we really need this sort of Rotarians. Friends, this year, as I was talking about 1,100 members, the doctors, many doctors have come into this Rotary fold, especially this year. Professionals, lawyers, as it is, we have a lot of lawyers, and this year too, we have a lot of business tycoons, lawyers, and many more coming to Rotary, especially in this 7 months. When I go to all the programs, all the GOBs, what I see is a lot of doctors joining. This, during this pandemic, what our Rotary did, by giving masks, giving sanitizers, giving food packets, whatever we have done, that was an excellent, we call them COVID warriors. Our own Rotarians have done an excellent service in this 7-8 months. And that public image and that service, whatever we have done, that brought more members. Friends, when you look at the membership chart, the whole world, because I get every month, when I look at it, everywhere we could see the minus. That is, everybody are losing the membership, not able to hold members in different parts of the district. Only in this country, we are able to have so far 4,000 in India, whole of India. 4,500 members have been added in this country, and 25% of that 1,000 plus has been added by 3190. Yes. So that means our district has been rocking, and we have been doing an excellent service even at this pandemic. The online, because in the closed door meeting too, I was talking to President Bharat, and he said we were having continuous meetings online, and even the board meetings on online. So everybody were happy and they were all there, and having music programs, so many programs on online. I think that was what was holding our 3190 and holding this club together, and seeing that more members are there. Especially when we lose this physical, we need more. Rotary is all about networking. Rotary is all about fellowship. And we say that byproduct is a service. So when we have this fellowship is not there, we find very less members coming up. But at this club, I see that you are all supporting this president, supporting the club, and you are all standing with him, having the entertainment programs, musical programs, whatnot, because even I was there at a couple of times. I think that was what made this club more vibrant, and that made this club to do more projects. I think, let me thank each one of you for all your services and for also supporting. Friends, when I was going through that, your club services, I think that, as I was saying, club services, I think you have done an excellent thing in club services, doing a lot of programs. And again, let me thank you on behalf of the district for giving 25% of your membership for the Bandhanam, the ICGFs. Thank you very much. At that part of time, everybody had confusion whether the ICGFs are going to go through or not. I think that was a point, and thank you for that. Community service, yes, community service, you have done an excellent. And my request would be to have more of blood donation, because there's an acute shortage of blood in all the blood banks. So that is where I was requesting the president at the COVID point. When the COVID was at the peak, the blood, we couldn't collect more than 20, 30, 50 units of blood. But now from last 1.5 months, we could see that we could collect more. Lot of clubs have done this blood donation camps. They are collecting 300, 400 plus. I think that is going on well. And that is one of the things I requested our president to have more blood camps. And occasional, yes, I think honoring today all the three jewels, I would say, Professor N.J. Rao and Ms. Alopa Gupta and Dr. Sunita. I think that was one of the things. Especially, friends, I'll tell you, this COVID times, the paramedical, the doctors, and even the ambulance drivers, they were the people who were on the streets without caring anything. They knew what was the risk taken, but in spite of that, they were the people who were trying to help each one of us during this time. So the district also decided that everywhere, wherever we got an opportunity, we have been recognizing them. I think you also did a very good thing by recognizing all the three of them today. I think let me thank you also. Youth service, Rajesh has been talking about it. I think having 4 Rotaract and 2 Interact, that is a great thing on your club. And I think you also had a lot of joint meetings, and then joint projects. That's also a great thing, especially at this point of time. Everybody were focusing to have more joint meetings and joint projects, online, offline. I think that is what you did it. That's also a good thing. I would like to recognize that on the youth service, especially on the international. The thanks to Shanmugam, and I've been there with them for a couple of times for that COVID combat, right? So when we had decided about 2 years earlier, and this was supposed to be the right, supposed to be going to the border of our country, but Wagah border. But due to the pandemic, we had to change the whole concept, and then it was named as COVID Combat Ride. And 20 of the Rotarians, including our district secretary Arun Belur, they all went for 4,000 plus kilometers, and really they took real risk, going at 4,500 at peak pandemic, not only spreading the piece of, I mean, the fellowship of 3190, but also trying to collect some funds, and they've already done it for the COVID. The future, when the vaccines are there, maybe we do not know whether it is going to be given free of cost, even to the downtrodden or not. That's a question mark which we are not clear. So then we decided we need to collect some funds for this, keep that as a kitty. So that is how these people went there, took a risk, and that was, I think, thank you, Shanmugam. And also let me thank Sanjay Krishna, who is heading this fellowship chair. And this year, friends, not only the membership clubs, even the fellowship, about 7 are going to be started, right, Sanjay? We have targeted for 10 fellowship groups this year. Already 6 have started. And I'm sure, I think another 4 is going to start very soon. And all the fellowship groups have been, that has been welcomed by each one of us. And the other important project I would like to say is that park, what you have done in Sanjay Nagar and Koilar Lake, I think those two things are a good public image, not only for your club. I feel it's a public image for the district 3190. I think that's going to give a good public image for the whole district and for the Rotary world. Thank you for that. And I'm also sure on that PHF, what we were discussing, I need not ask about the TRF. I'm sure this club is always a giving. And thanks to 2 of them who have been donating generously the last year. Thank you for that. And I would also like to recognize our Mahadev Dembal for Assistant Governor, who has been helping me. Thank you, Mahadev. Thank you very much for that. And then Kirti sir, who is always, there as a backbone, and Arjun sir, Usha ma'am, Shankar, yes, Shankar is here, Rajesh, and many more. I would also like to recognize some of them who are my good friends. Rajaram, yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So as I'm talking of TRF, yes, our Madhav Damal, thanks to you. He has given me a check for 1 lakh. This is for the Young Polio, EPF. It is called Young Polio Fellow. And we have a target of 100 this year, 1 lakh each. And I think this check gives us about 33 or 34 have donated so far. Thank you, Madhav, for that generous thing. And Rajaram, I think today he called me and he has stuck and he is not here. Kirti sir, then Ravi Arora, Usha Madam has said, then Satish Kumar, and there are many of from your club who are on the board of District 3190. Rajesh Kundar, then Arjun Mavanda, I said, Chaya ma'am, and Akshata, then Deepa Shashida. Yeah, many of them on the conference, Koti Nati, and different on the foundation. Really, I thank you all for supporting the district at each and every time, because the district comprises of only the clubs and the members who support us. Otherwise, district cannot run. Thank you for that. And I'm sure by end of this year, now as I see now, the membership is about 67, and I'm sure by end of this year, it's going to touch 75. And on 23rd, the Rotary Day is there, 1905, this 23rd Feb, when the Rotary started. So on that 23rd Feb, we have a mega membership drive, and each district has been asked to bring in about 100 members each. And we have taken the challenge from the last month. And friends, when we took up the challenge, we said 100 is too less for 3190. And we said 333. And now as I'm getting, that's what I was looking at it. Every moment, every club is putting 1, 2, 3 members. Now we have crossed 250 now. The new members, yeah, this is apart from what I'm talking of 1,100, 250 members, minimum of 250 members will be inducted on between 20th and 22nd of this month, which will be announced on 23rd of this month. That is the Rotary Day. So friends, I think with this, let me thank you and wish each one of you all the best. And I'm sure all the projects which has been there, which has been envisaged by this club, which has been dreamt by our president, I'm sure we'll complete. We have still 4.5 months. In this 4.5 months, let's all work together. The 3190 is always there to support you at any part of time. and let's think big. And also, I had discussed with one global grant president, if I remember right. We had discussed about 2 years back, and we had made a draft also on that. But due to pandemic, it has changed. But still, 4.5 months is there. I request you to come back on this global grant, because this club, he's capable of doing it. So let us think bigger projects, sustainable projects, and this club can take it up. So that is what I would like to say. Friends, I would like to end with saying that Darbar, which is the conference which is going to be there in Mysore, it is on the end of May, and which was supposed to be in December. We had to postpone because of the pandemic, and a lot of ICGFs were backlog was there. So we are finishing all the ICGFs. And then we have this Darbar in Mysore. This for the first time, this is a conference led by women. Women-led conference. For the first time, we said the women can take up this challenge. So they have taken up this challenge, and they have done an excellent work. So I request 100% attendance from each one of you. Mysore is not very far. We are having a gala party in the KRS. It is on the previous day with RIPN, and then the conference in Mysore. So I request each one of you to kindly come there, enjoy, and have a nice time. As we say that, the hard work, the positive thinking always brings result, and that is what we have been seeing here. So let me thank each one of you for all the opportunities you have given us and supported this district at any part of time. And we are there to support you also. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, District Governor, for those very inspiring words. May I request our Rotarian Mahadev Dumble to please come forward, and we'd like to take a photograph with you and the DG. We missed that during this event, so if you could just replay once again. Yeah, right. TRF chair. Keep it coming. So at the Rotary, we make our sincere attempt to finish on time, and we are almost there. And I request our Rotarian Rajagopal Hegde to propose a vote of thanks.
I just forgot to mention that, today evening before I came here, there were a couple of presidents who had come to discuss some of the projects. So I had kept this harmony on the table. They said, what is this? They just opened and said, it's excellent magazine which has been brought, and they asked us which club. Then I said, RMV, they really appreciated. I forgot to mention that. I think that has come out well. And also I would like to say that this harmony, I think I can see there's a good harmony in this club. That is what I think this club is all about, that harmony, yes, that surely, that is what makes you, more vibrant. That is what is required also. I think, let me congratulate for the editor and everybody. Chaya ma'am, I think Chaya. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations to you, ma'am. Congratulations. Yeah.
I'd also fail in my duty if I do not recognize our Rotractors. So may I request the Rotract presidents and Rotractors to please stand up and get recognized, because we can't know who is who with the mask. So thank you very much for coming, sir. Thank you for joining us today. And of course, we also would like to thank all the people who have joined us on the Zoom. We miss you, and we will have a drink on your behalf. Cheers.
Before I start the formal vote of thanks, I would like to recognize our senior member, Dr. Belgavi, who could not be present here today, for the services he has rendered to our members and their families by giving guidance during this COVID time for their sufferings, and ailments. Thank you, Dr. Belagavi, and we wish that you continue these services to our members as well as to the society. As we come to the close of this year's GOV, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver vote of thanks to this August gathering. I thank our beloved District Governor, B.L. Nagendra Prasad, for showing keen interest in the progress of our club, for his guidance, support, and acknowledgement of the various activities and projects of the club. Thank you, sir. I thank District Secretary Rotarian Arun Belur for his valuable time and presence today and constant guidance and support. Thank you, sir. I thank Assistant Governor Rotarian Shankar B, who has been a constant guide to us. He has taken time to attend our mock GOV and guided us in the preparations for the GOV. Thank you, sir, and we continue to take guidance from you in all our activities. I thank First Lady Rotarian Meera Prasad for her presence in today's gathering and also taking active participation in today's events. Thank you, madam. I thank all the vocational awardees for accepting our invitation to attend today's function and accepting the recognition from Rotary. Thank you. I am very happy to extend our sincere thanks to past presidents of our club for constant advice and guidance on various activities and projects of our club, and also on preparations for the GOV. I extend my heartfelt thanks to one and all who helped to make this GOV a grand success. I have to specifically mention the contribution made by Rashmi Swami in all the preparations for presentation and the printing related works. I thank our guests, visitors from other clubs, Rotaractors, and family members of Rotarians for their presence and witnessing today's proceedings. I extend my sincere thanks to Rotarian Shankar Subramanian for giving advice and also did the Master of Ceremonies to give color to this function. Thank you. I thank our beloved District Governor for providing these premises for the conduct of the GOV and also his staff for providing and helping with arrangements. Thank you, sir. Finally, but not the least, my thanks to all the participants who are present here physically and also to members who are present on Zoom for attending today's GOV and witnessing the proceedings. Let me once again reiterate that without you all, we will never have the courage to dream and the passion to make it happen. So thank everyone working for this club. Finally, we warmly welcome you all for the cocktail and dinner arranged here in the adjacent hall. Members who are on Zoom are also requested to join for dinner or take sumptuous dinner at their respective. Yes. Yeah. Before going for dinner, we have another event. Kindly wait.
Meeting adjournment. May I request all of you to please stand up for the national anthem, please. Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjvala Jaladita Ranga Tava Shubha Name Jahi Tava Shubha Ashish Mangi Gahe Tava Jaya Gata जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। Please be seated. We just have one final very pleasant event happening here. Birthday celebration. ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಮೆಹ್ತಾ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ. ಹೌದಾ? We're going to be soon cutting the cake to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Rotary Rajmal Vilas. And I request that we all take a group photograph. I request all the Rotarians, after the cake cutting. So, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, no, without group photo, no dinner. ಏನ ಸರ್?
ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಸುಹೈಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟೌನ್